let me show you how to pack the your gear. First, from the Hakama, just loosen it. Okay, and then untie your Hakama from behind, then knot. Yeah. Now you want to straighten everything. Always a bit wrinkled, but you fold it up this way so you can hold it the front and the back. So sort of straighten everything. And then you want to straighten from the back roughly. And then you want to you do this movement to put it on floor across this way. You want to straighten, so try to follow the folding line. Might want a little bit, I haven't used this for a while. This is my old Hakama. The folding line is a little bit off, but anyway, trying to put it in the folding line like this. Yeah. Right. That's okay. Fold one half and fold the other one like this. Divide into 3 quarters. The first quarter fold it up like this way. Right. This is not the best way of folding, but this is how you should fold it. Right. If you do it right, all the lines should just line up nicely in the middle. And then one more, okay? This is not too bad, so you still can see the line, 1 layer, 2 layer. So it's not too bad, okay? You grab one of the, usually I start the longer one on left or right, doesn't matter. Fold it in half. And then fold one more in half, so in 4 times across this way. All right, and then the short one goes across this way next to it. Okay, and then the other side, fold in 4. Okay, this one, you go 1 under and then on top again, like this way. Okay, not very good. Okay, and then this one, opposite, on top and then under. Yeah, so it becomes like kind of D kind of shape. I don't know if you can see it. You want to get a fabrics a bit like that. Yeah. Okay. Put it in the middle, diagonally. Yeah. So let's fold one on top, and then on top, and then on top, and then on top. The last one, tuck it in behind. So it becomes just like that. This is how I put it away. With Obi, switch it back in front, loosen it just like normal, just like that. Alright. Remember I said one side is folded in. Start with the opposite side. Yeah? Fold it in from the inner part. So basically just like that. So the outer part is outside. Just roll, keep rolling like that. And as you roll, sort of tap it so that it remains tidy this way. Yeah. Like that. Done. Yeah, I just leave it like that. So if you keep folding the same area will automatically form a folding line. You don't have to keep it folding like this. You just keep it flat, and then just put it away. This is how you store it. Okay. Finally, your doggy. There's no particular way how you fold your doggy, or some dojo may have a particular exact way how to fold it. For me, this is how I fold it. Grab one sleeve, matching the sleeve, shake it straight. Alright. I usually do it on the floor, but I'm just showing you. I just fold it across one, sometimes maybe 2 times. Okay, fold once, and then fold it once and twice. This is how I do it. So when I put it together, the Hakama, the doggy, and the belt, and I just put it away as it is.
星座の姿勢、心は静かに。鞘の中の剣、静寂を守る。一瞬のきらめき、技が空を舞う。斬新の心で月の光を浴びる。実況塾、居合術。